Alright, you are welcome back to my channel. This is Journey for Christ Visitors. You're welcome back. Alright, all my returnees and everyone that is new to this channel, click on the subscribe button so that we will not miss any updates that I'm sharing from this. That's I want to show us something significant to everyone using Facebook. Everyone using Facebook. I want to show you how you can turn your Facebook to professionals. There's an aspect of professionals on Facebook that will make you look professionally. You may not even be doing any business for now, but I assure you that a time will come that people will see you as a professional, okay, in your field. So, gone are the days when we just chat our time away on Facebook. Alright, straight to practical. So go to your Facebook, open your Facebook, how you can turn into professional, okay? I have Facebook Lite, so let me just use Facebook Lite. Very simple. Alright, as you can see, this is my Facebook Lite. Okay. Now, okay, what you just need to do is very simple. What you need to do is very simple. Look at this 9. Look at this 9 here. You just pick it. Look at this place here. Alright, click on it. Okay. You click on it. Alright. Okay, this is your alright. So go to profile. Go to my profile. I'm sure you can see it. Go to profile. Okay. Once you enter your profile, alright. Once you display this, look at this 3 dotted lines. Look at this 3 dotted lines. This 3 dotted lines. Alright. I'm trying to use a description for you guys. Can you see that 3 dotted lines? Click on it. Alright, can you see what we are looking for? Look at turn to professionals. Can you see? Turn to professional mode. Most of us are seeing it, but we don't know the function. Alright, let's just click on it. Can you see? So turn it on. Turn it on here. Can you see turn on? Turn it on. Alright, automatically you turn your thing to followers, your friends to followers, and those people you are following. You have cover, you have the cover, you have your profile picture. Start exploring. Just check it. About professional mode, check it out. How to grow your audience, become a creator, get discovered. Okay, these are the things you can do there. You can go to your profile and edit your profile. Okay, so you have turned professionally like that. With that pattern, you have turned professionally. If you need to do anything again, you can come there. So these are your profile picture. You can edit it. Your cover picture, you can edit it. You can even use avatar. Your bow, optimize it. This one is not even optimized. Okay, I will show you some of the one I've optimized later. Your hobbies, put it there. You can do a lot of editing. Edit your bow information. You can do a lot of things with your bow. Edit it. You have turned it to a professional one entirely, like that. So you might think that what you're doing to do friends and followers, you can change your friends and followers. Okay, you can view your followers. You can come here inside. Okay, about your audience trend, you can see what you have. Some of us, you have friends. Your friend to some level, your friend list will stop growing. You have to turn into professional mode. Okay, you have to turn into professional mode. That's just what is happening. Once you turn professional mode, everything will set up for you. Okay, so you can decide to turn it off. Let me turn it off. I can turn it off also. Continue. It's off. Turn off. It's off like that. You can see it's turned off successfully. So you can easily close. I'm back to normal. Okay, so you can easily be doing that. You can turn it off, you can turn it on based on how far you want it. But if you're a bit like me, I want to using this thing for your business, marketing, you have to turn it professionally. Alright, subscribe if you have gained mastery from this. Subscribe. right? So that you won't miss the next video I'm going to do. And so whatever I'll be asking you, I'm going to do how you can run ads, okay, yourself with your smartphone, how you can run ads, create landing page. I'm going to do that for you on this channel. I remain training for Christ Digitals. Subscribe and you won't miss any of the updates. Thank you.